Building a profitable income system sounds like a dream. But what if I told you that it's possible to go from zero to profit using nothing but AI? In today's video, I'm going to share how I built my own AI-powered income system from scratch. It's something I put together using tools that helped me automate tasks, create digital products, and even generate passive income, all without spending years learning complex skills or investing tons of money up front. If you're ready to discover how to leverage AI for your own income system, stick around because I'm about to break down the exact steps that took me from zero to profit. 10. Starting with the right mindset. Before I got started, I knew that the right mindset was essential. I had to shift my thinking from seeing AI as just a tool to understanding it as a business partner. The first thing I realized was that AI could help me work smarter, not harder. Instead of trying to do everything manually, I began to think about how I could use AI to automate, streamline, and scale my income system. This mindset shift was key. AI wasn't just about efficiency, it was about creating new opportunities. Once I had that in mind, the next step was deciding what AI could actually do for me. Identifying passive income opportunities. The beauty of AI is that it can help you create passive income streams. Income that comes in even when you're not actively working. I knew that in order to scale, I needed to focus on something that could make money while I was sleeping. I started by looking at a few popular passive income models like creating digital products, offering automated services, and affiliate marketing. Through my research and testing, I realized that AI could help me build and manage these streams without needing to constantly update them manually. Once the systems were in place, they would keep generating money for me without needing much. Ongoing effort. 8. Building a digital product with AI. The first major income stream I built using AI was digital products. There are so many digital products you can sell online: ebooks, printables, courses, and more. But creating these products traditionally would take a lot of time and effort. That's where AI came in. I started by using ChatGPT to help generate content ideas and write entire ebooks. I didn't have to worry about writer's block anymore because ChatGPT could help me quickly produce quality content on topics like personal, finance, digital marketing, and time management. Once the ebooks were written, I used design tools like Canva to create eye-catching covers and layouts. With the digital product complete, I uploaded it to platforms like Gumroad and Amazon Kindle. The best part, I didn't need to create anything physical, and I didn't have to deliver the product manually. Once a customer made a purchase, the download was automatic. 7. Automating content creation for affiliate marketing. The next step in my AI-powered income journey was affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. I knew this could be an excellent passive income model, but I didn't want to spend all my time writing blog posts and creating videos. That's where AI came in. I started using ChatGPT to generate blog posts, social media posts, and email marketing content that would promote my affiliate products. I set up an affiliate marketing blog in a niche I was passionate about, personal finance, and began creating valuable content about budgeting tools, credit cards, and investing. I used ChatGPT to generate content ideas, write articles, and even create email sequences. These were optimized for SEO, ensuring that the content would rank well on Google. Then, I added my affiliate links and set up an email automation system to send out regular content to my subscribers. The AI helped me automate everything from content creation to email marketing, which meant I could focus on building the system instead of constantly creating content. 6. Building an online course. With AI, creating an online course was another key piece of my AI-powered income system. I've always been passionate about teaching and sharing knowledge, but recording video lessons and creating course materials can be time-consuming. That's when I turned to AI. Using ChatGPT, I was able to quickly generate course outlines and lesson plans on topics I was knowledgeable about. Once I had a course structure, I used Synthesia, an AI video tool that creates realistic avatars, to create video lessons without ever showing my face. I set up my course on platforms like Teachable and Udemy, with AI doing the heavy lifting, writing course content, generating videos, and setting up email sequences. I had a fully functional online course without ever having to create live videos or record audio. The income from course sales kept rolling in, and I didn't have to actively work on it after the initial setup. 5. Automating customer support with AI chatbots. Once my income streams were set up, I knew that providing excellent customer support was important, but I didn't want to spend all my time answering questions. That's when I implemented an AI-powered chatbot to handle customer inquiries. I used tools like ManyChat to create a chatbot that could answer common questions, help customers with their orders, and even recommend products. The chatbot was set up to handle everything from order confirmations to product recommendations. This automation saved me a ton of time and ensured that my customers had a seamless experience without me needing to be available 24/7. 4. Setting up an AI-driven social media strategy. Social media was crucial for driving traffic to my income streams, but I didn't want to waste time posting every day. Using AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, I was able to automate my social media strategy. I used ChatGPT to generate content ideas, write posts, and create captions. Then, I used the scheduling tools to automatically post my content at the best times for engagement. I also used AI to track my social media analytics, helping me optimize my content strategy for maximum results. This allowed me to focus on building my business, while AI handled the heavy lifting on social media. 3. Using AI for marketing and running ads can be one of the most expensive and time-consuming aspects of building a business. But with AI, it's possible to automate and optimize much of the process. I started using AI tools like Google Ads' Smart Campaigns and Facebook Ads Manager to automate my ad targeting and budgeting. AI optimized my campaigns for the best performing ads, helping me get more results for less money. By using AI to run ads, I was able to reach a larger audience with minimal effort, driving traffic to my digital products, affiliate links, and courses. 2. Scaling with AI-powered analytics. Once I had a few income streams up and running, I needed to track my progress and figure out what was working. AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics and Hotjar gave me insights into customer behavior and conversion rates. With AI, I could quickly identify which products or services were performing the best and adjust my marketing strategy accordingly. I also used AI to analyze which content was getting the most engagement, allowing me to create more of what my audience loved. 1. Reinvesting profits into more AI tools. As my AI-powered income system started to generate consistent profits, I made a key decision: reinvest my earnings into even more powerful AI tools to scale the system. This allowed me to automate more aspects of my business, from content creation to customer relationship management. By continually reinvesting, I was able to scale faster without needing to hire additional employees. AI tools like Zapier helped me integrate everything from social media posting to email marketing, so that my systems were running like a well-oiled machine. And that's how I went from zero to profit using an AI-powered income system. By leveraging AI tools for content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, customer support, and more, I was able to build a scalable and automated business that works for me, even when I'm not actively working. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more strategies on building an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.